In the beauty industry, false eyelashes are a key tool for enhancing eye appeal. Dispensers play a crucial role in the manufacturing process. Material selection. Using artificial fiber or animal hair to ensure comfort. Design and styling. To meet different needs and design a variety of styles of false eyelashes. Dispensing process. Determines the firmness and aesthetics of the false eyelashes. 2. The role of dispensing machine. Precise dispensing. Micron-level precision to ensure strong bonding. Increase efficiency. Automated operation, output increased several times, save labor. Uniformity guarantee. Precise coating, enhancing aesthetics and comfort. Material saving. Precise control of glue dosage, reduce cost. 3. Technical features of dispensing machine. Intelligent control system. Adapt to different design requirements. Multiple glue compatibility. Support different viscosity glue. Durable and stable. Long-term stable operation. Dispensing machine not only improves the quality of false eyelashes, but also promotes the development of beauty industry and saves artificial labor. Welcome to contact us for customized solutions. www.jhims.com. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you for your support.